So here I am searching for a SVG image to import into the Cricut software. I'm looking for Martin Luther King Day because my kids said Martin Luther King Day is coming up, so they told me to go with him. So that's what we're gonna do. I wanted to kind of find one with multiple colors, so that's what I am going to do here is scroll down and find a good compatible image with mainly a white background. Now I am just saving the file that I just downloaded from Google. It's free. After you do that, I am going to remove that white background out. You can do this on the Cricut app. However, I like to use this website. It's a little bit quicker for me. The website is remove.bg. You just upload the picture that we just saved. Then it automatically removes the whole background for you. Download that. Now we're going to go back to the Cricut app. Let it load a bit. Go down to new project. Once your canvas opens up, we're going to click on the upload option. And we're going to upload that picture that we just saved. On here, I made the mistake of picking the one with the background still in it. So I just roll with it. Now we're going to hit complex, and then we're going to click select. Make sure it's on the select option, and then you're just going to click in the white space. And then it takes the white out for you. Now I'm just going in and clicking any small white spots that I still see. Once you're done with that, you can click apply and continue. I didn't quite like that because the D, you couldn't see the middle part of the D. So I went back in and I took that D out as well. And then it was another star here in the middle of his face. I didn't like that either, so I took that out too. So there we go. We're going to click apply and continue, and we're going to save the cut file option. Then we're going to click it and apply it to our canvas. Once we apply it to our canvas, it's going to pop up here in a few seconds. There it is. And we're going to start changing the colors. We can basically change that to any one color that we want. And it really don't matter what color you have on your screen. It really is about whatever color vinyl or fabric or whatever material you're going to be using. That's what really matters. So now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to upload the one that I did take the background out. And this way I'm going to show you how to do two colors, where you can have two separate colors on one design. Okay, so now that we have our design here uploaded, I'm going to go in first and take out all of the red. Every single piece of red you see, we're going to get rid of it. So I did the select option first. So now I'm going to go down and preview it. And you see those little specks there? We don't want those. So now we're going to go to erase. Once we click erase, we're going to go back in, and I'm like to zoom in a bit so I can see, because those specks are very tiny. And then you just kind of freestyle erase it. You have to play with your brush size a bit of the eraser for the tighter spots. It was a little star in the middle, if you remember. It's going to be there, though, when we finish. Just wait for it. Trust the process. So now I'm just basically going in and erasing all of the red spots. Now, once we have all the red out, we're going to preview it. And that's all the blue portion. So here where it says image name, we're going to save it as Martin Blue. And save the cut file image. Now we're going to go back in and upload it again. Click the simple version this time. Now we're going to take out all of the blue. So basically you're just doing the same thing that we just did with the red, but this time we are going to take out all of the blue. Okay, so now that we have all of the blue out, we're going to preview it. Apply and continue. It's a couple little specks that I left, so I'm going to go back in and get those. Because when you're cutting, that really matters. Your machine will actually try to cut those little spots. Apply and continue again. We're good. No spots. Save cut image. Upload both pieces, the red and the blue, to our canvas. Once we get them both on the canvas, they're going to come up on top of each other. We're not going to be able to really see them. I'm going to get rid of our solid color one. So you just click on that and click the X. And it's gone. So now we have our two pieces here. And we're going to separate them. And we're going to turn the red, red. And we're going to turn the blue, blue. And then we're going to line them up. So now that we have them lined up, we're going to drag across both of them and group them together. So now when we resize or anything, we'll have both pieces selected and we can feel free to do